I declare bankruptcy!
What's up guys, Sal here. So it's been rumored for a while that Galaxy S9 will support slow-mo video recording, but until now it's been unclear what that actually means. Sources speaking to Sam Mobile have explained how it might work, and it sounds like it could live up to the name. Apparently there will be two main ways to record slow motion videos on the Galaxy S9. The first is just to tap the shutter button while in the right mode to immediately record in slow-mo. But the newer, more interesting way is to tap the record button, but the camera will only record slow motion videos when something moves in the frame. That way, you could plan ahead if you know something is about to happen that you want to record in slow-mo, so that you don't either miss it or have unnecessary extra footage at the start of the clip. There's also apparently a mode which would let you start recording a normal video but tap a button to switch to slow-mo at specific points. It's similar to Sony's Xperia XZ, where the camera records regular videos at 30 frames per second and speeds it up to 960 frames per second when the user taps the slow motion button. And Samsung's implementation seems to be quite similar, and you'd supposedly be able to capture up to 20 slow-mo moments in each video. And this might be just one of the Galaxy S9's camera improvements. Samsung is clearly putting a lot of focus on the camera this time, including the words camera reimagined, so expect something great with the S9's camera. Samsung may use Bixby to guide users through the initial setup of their new phone. Recently uncovered code in the unreleased Android Oreo build for the Galaxy Note 8 suggests that Bixby may guide new users through the initial setup of their device. For people who are new to Android, this is potentially a useful feature. Using Bixby can make the experience easier by using your voice to answer questions and letting Bixby do all the work for you. Keep in mind, however, that this evidence found by the folks over at XDA comes from an unreleased Android Oreo beta build for the Galaxy Note 8, so things could be different on the Galaxy S9. But seeing as how Samsung is really pushing for artificial intelligence, this could be one of many new tricks that Bixby will have learned in time for the Galaxy S9. Anyways, let me know your thoughts on this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.